Welcome back to the unboxing of my new piece of high-tech LED lamp. This one is Novsight LED. It's a 9006 socket. So let's see what inside, and I will do a video on this how these guys perform after the installation that has been made. Okay, but make sure before you buy, my advice is take a look at this thing. This particular thing is important. 9006. Usually Chinese company, they tend to have a very confusing type of box information. For example, this picture here is supposedly either H4 or dual beam, which is including the high and low beam. But the 9006 don't have that, because 9006 only have two positive and negative sort of kind of polarity, so there's no second beam. So let's just open this box, and oh, they give a glove. Okay, that's cool. I'm not sure this glove is a normal practice or just this seller is include me with this glove. I think it's for installation purpose. So it comes with a pair of glove, which is cool. Now this is the bulb itself. Okay, we have a fan in the back. Yeah, you see. So this is a single beam. You see, there's only single LED. I believe is XP50 Cree LED. Yeah. So there's a Novsight branding in the side. So you have two LED chip on both sides. Now this type is SMD LED. Okay, so you see it's a single beam. So on the end of this wire is an 9006 socket ready. Okay, so this fan is for the cooling purpose. This is actually feels pretty solid. It's made of aluminum. This one, the plastic cap is a plastic actually. The usually it's a plastic anyway. Okay, so what's more? By the way, they have the manual here, but mainly how to install. I don't need that because this installation is pretty straightforward. You just unplug, twist the bulb, unplug the old guy, and just put this one, the new one. Okay, so what's more included here? Oh, okay, I see. They include this what we call a ferrite bead. The ferrite bead is usually used to stabilize, to protect from electromagnetic field, or EMI shield. So this, maybe you can climb to the wire here. Maybe it's to prevent the bulb from flickering or something like that. So stay tuned, guys. I will do the installation and put it on the car and test it. Front, the LED is looking like that. It's pretty bright. This is after the Novsight LED has been installed. As you can see, the boy out there, the LED is very bright. I turn off the HID and see how you see. Now this is only by the LED itself, so it's pretty bright. Sorry, 1 second. This is with the HID off, so the LED, this is by the LED itself. You see, it is very bright. It's as same bright as the headlight itself. So once I turn on the car headlight, which is HID, there you go, you can see. So now I'm going to drive this car and see, so you can see the experience while driving. How's the light? Okay. on daily on driving. Now it's heavy rain, to be honest, outside. To tell you the truth, what I realized when driving, I can't tell really the difference because of the color tonality. But definitely after the install, I feel it's a bit brighter than the normal HID without the help of the LED. I think my LED fog lamp is much brighter now compared to the headlight. As you can see, it's very clear. Even it's rainy day, it's very clear. Now, one of the problem I face while doing the installation is in Toyota Wish, the fog lamp seems to have cover, and the cover blocking the heatsink somehow and causing it to be a bit out of pattern because of it's a bit the angle is a bit slanted because of the cover block the LED heatsink. So I have no choice but just to install it like that. But so far it seems so good. The beam pattern is good. It's just, I think, probably 2 or 3 degree different with the original one, because I think that fog lamp is designed for halogen and the slimmer HID. Okay, now this place is brighter. Sorry, here is a bit jam in Subang, so now I'm going to enter some of the area which is a bit dark, so you can see. By the way, guys, this is a Toyota Wish 2006, so the new one Toyota Wish may be different from this Toyota Wish 2006 fog lamp. So if I don't miss, the new one come with each H11 or something like that. So before you buy the LED bulb for your fog light or headlight, make sure you know the type that your car is using, or else it will be unusable. To be honest, it is pretty bright, and let's see if I off the fog lamp. Wow, you see the difference? I can feel it. Definitely it's a bit dark. I mean, it's a bit dimmer. Now let me turn on back the headlight, the fog lamp. You see? Wow, definitely this is an upgrade. Usually if you guys used to drive in the rain or foggy area, white color or 6500K usually have issue because of it don't have much of a color contrast to the rain or the foggy. Instead, it will bounce back, so you can't feel. Sometimes there's a time that you can't feel the headlight is on or off, so that might be issue when first time installing. But with this LED headlight, surprisingly I can feel the presence of it, because the entire things from side to side is glowing, as you can see on the video cam as well. So definitely that one is an upgrade. And it's a good day because it's raining, so I can share you how's the driving condition if it's in rain. And this is Malaysia, so you clearly see the guy out there. No much an issue. And about beam pattern so far so good. It's not blinding people. I don't see the lights is entering somebody's car cabin from the back. Because if your headlight or fog lamp able to enter the car's cabin, the cars in front of you, then it should be illegal because of you are blinding people, and that's not good, because on safety concern it might danger people. You see, even I'm near to this Proton car, you don't see my headlight inside his cabin. You only see the glare that comes bouncing back. So let's see if I turn off the HID headlight. You see, it's still bright. To be honest, it's still bright. The LED itself is so bright that I can even turn off my headlight. And another thing to aware in mind that LED headlights, I mean LED bulb are designed, especially reputable brand such as Novsight. So I turn on my HID back again. Such as Novsight, they have already studied the beam pattern. So definitely when doing installation, usually it's recommended that the LED, both of the LED chip or the LED driver, is on horizontal position. I mean, the LED chip should be either in the left or in the right. Yeah, it's horizontal, correct, it's not vertical. So if it's on vertical, then the installation is a bit wrong, because it's wrong because if it's going up and vertically, either up and down, your beam pattern would blind people. And oh, this guy, he reversed. So okay. So you can see everything is glowing up, no much an issue. Okay, let's go to the dark spot area. Sorry that my message blinking. Hopefully it doesn't. You can see it is very bright. Now hopefully you guys understand. Actually, the thing is, when you are using 6500K or crystal white LED, they don't make much contrast between the road, or I mean the road, or whatever the situation here, because warmer amber light LED would have much better visibility, because of their color tonal is different, but the brightness is about the same. So that is the different thing. For if you guys never use a white 6500K LED, because usually halogen is in the range of 3000 Kelvin, so it's a different story. Okay, so now let me do a U-turn here, because this is the end of it. If you watch the review, about this headlight, the thing is, the headlight is showing very far distance, and some of the people's test is very far. Because why? Actually, they are in calm area, and then the thing is, the area is very dark. There's no other light source other than the headlight itself. For me, you see there's a lot of lights is brightening up, so you can't tell, because you see the pole, the lightning pole is amber color, so you can't tell much a difference between my headlight and his headlight. I mean the lights of the pole. Okay, so hopefully you guys understand hopefully you guys can explain how's the lighting situation when using LED, and hopefully this video is helpful.